Let's say your wife looks at you one day and says, I don't have feelings for you anymore. And in that exact moment, it feels like somebody punched straight through your chest because most men never prepare for those words. You thought everything was okay. You thought she was just stressed. She was just busy. You thought she was just moody or tired. But now, suddenly, the woman you built a life with is emotionally gone. And here is the mistake most men make right after hearing this: they panic, they beg, they over explain, they become extra nice overnight. They start buying gifts, sending long messages, trying to force the relationship back to what it used to be. But what if I told you that that usually pushes her even further away? Because when a woman says she has no feelings anymore, most of the time she doesn't mean the relationship ended overnight. It means the emotional disconnect has been happening for months, sometimes years, and you didn't notice the small signs. See, women usually live emotionally before they live physically. That's why sometimes she still cooks for you, she sleeps beside you, still acts normal around the kids, but emotionally, she checked out a long time ago. And the scary part is, many men don't realize this until she finally says it out loud. Now, let me explain what she really means when she says she lost feelings. Sometimes she means she no longer feels emotionally desired. The relationship became functional instead of romantic. You become roommates, business partners, parents, but not lovers anymore. The conversation became dry. The excitement disappeared. The emotional tension vanished. And over time, she stopped feeling anything. Another thing she could mean is this: she no longer feels emotionally safe with you. Maybe every conversation turns into arguments. Maybe she feels unheard. Maybe she feels judged whenever she expresses herself. Now, listen carefully. Women are emotional creatures, all right? And when emotional connection dies, physical attraction slowly follows. That's why some wives stop wanting intimacy. Some wives stop flirting. Some stop laughing with you the way they used to. Not because another man is automatically involved, but because emotional distance changes attraction. Now, does this mean your marriage is over? The answer is no. But it does mean you cannot keep behaving the same way and expect different results. Because here's the truth many men don't want to hear: love doesn't disappear suddenly, it slowly starves. And sometimes you're intentionally participating in starving the relationship. Maybe you stopped dating her, maybe you became emotionally unavailable, you stressed. Maybe stress changed you. Maybe she started feeling invisible. But before you blame yourself completely, understand this too. Sometimes women also lose themselves emotionally: stress, motherhood, resentment, unhealed pain, and then disappointment. All of that builds emotional walls. Now, let's talk about how you're going to fix this. First, stop panicking. When she says that, do not panic. Desperation kills attraction. The more you beg for love, the weaker you appear emotionally. And women are naturally drawn to emotional strength and calm leadership. That does not mean becoming cold, it means becoming grounded. Second, listen without defending yourself. This is where many men fail. The moment she explains her feelings, they interrupt with, but I provide for this family, but I have been trying, but what about the things you do? That's a wrong move. That's a wrong move. Don't be judgmental. Don't. Now, I want you to, for 1 second, stop trying to win the argument. Just stop trying to win the argument. Try to understand the pain behind the words she's saying. Because many women don't want perfection, they want emotional presence. All right. Now, the third thing is bring back emotional polarity. And this is very important. Many marriages die because the relationship becomes too predictable. No flirting, no excitement, no emotional spark. You stopped cutting your own wife. Do you know how many women secretly miss feeling pursued by their husband? A lot. Start reconnecting emotionally again. Not through pressure, not through pressure, but through presence. Look better. Become emotionally calmer. Take care of yourself. Lead conversations better. Create experiences together again. And please understand this: you cannot guilt somebody into loving you. You cannot. You rebuild attraction through emotional experience, not emotional pressure. Now, here's something most people won't tell you. Sometimes, when a woman says, I lost feelings, she What she is really saying is this: I miss the man you used to be, the confident version, the playful version, the emotionally present version. And if you became consumed by stress, routine, anger, or even emotional shutdown, she felt that loss deeply. But there is still hope if both people are willing. If the both of you are willing, there is still hope. The biggest mistake is waiting until resentment becomes permanent. So if your wife says she has no feelings anymore, don't ignore it. Do not attack her. Don't collapse emotionally. See it as a warning sign, all right? A painful one at that. But also see it as a chance to rebuild the marriage differently. And sometimes the marriage that survived this stage becomes stronger than they ever were before. Because for the first time, both people finally become honest. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I want to give us a follow. Tell me in the comments, can feelings come back after they disappear? I really want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. So see you then.